Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to close a cardboard box just like this one right here without tape fast. This will be a full tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this video. So I'm going to place my camera down over here, and as you can see I have a cardboard box. And I'm going to show you how to close it really quickly. Now this is a really useful skill because you can seal up a cardboard box and sort of hold the tops down together by themselves without tape. So you can basically get it to the point where it's like it's taped up, but it's not actually taped up. So it's very easy to do. So the bottom, I've already done it with the bottom, and that's what's holding the bottom together. Now I'm going to do it with the top. So you have 4 flaps, okay? The first thing is that you want to choose one flap to start with and fold it in, okay? And make sure it is not bringing any other flaps down with it. So I'm going to choose this one because as you can see, it's just freely able to move back and forth. So I'm going to fold this flap down. That's the first one. Now the second thing that you have to do is choose a flap that is connected to that one and fold it on top of this flap. So I'm going to choose this bottom one over here, okay? So this bottom one is connected to flap number 1. So I'm going to do this as flap number 2, and I'm going to fold flap number 2 on top of flap number 1, just like that, okay? And they have to be connected. So I'm going to fold flap 2 down on top of flap 1, just like that. So if flap 1, flap 2, and flap 2 is on top of flap 1. Now we're going to choose in the same direction. So we have 1, 2, follow that direction. This is going to be 3 over here, okay? So flap 3 is going to get folded down on top of flap 2. So this is going to be flap 3. It has to be connected to flap 2, okay? So flap 3 gets folded down on top of flap 2. And then the last flap is flap 4. You're going to fold down flap 4 on top. And then what you're going to do, I'll show you in a second, but you're going to fold down flap 4 on top of the other flaps. So here's flap 4, it's on top. Now here's the key factor to getting it nice and sealed. Flap 4 that you just folded down has to get tucked underneath flap number 1. So this is flap 4, and right in here is flap 1. So what I need to do is I need to raise flap 4 up a little bit, okay? Let me get my foot on the chair here. And essentially I need to pull up flap 1 a little bit. I'm pulling up flap 1 like this, and then flap 4 goes underneath flap 1, just like that. So flap 4 got tucked underneath flap 1, and then you get flap 1 down like that. And there you go. As you can see, we now have a sealed box. I mean, it's not sealed to the same degree as if it was taped, but it's pretty sealed up. It's literally that simple. That is how to close a cardboard box without tape, fast and easily. A full tutorial with step-by-step instructions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And sorry, just so you know, I have 4 young kids, so smash the like button first of all, because a father of 4 like myself, I still have a full-time job, and I have a huge channel that I run. It's all myself. I don't run it. It's my channel. I do it all myself. I don't have anybody helping me. It's just me, literally in various locations. Right now I'm in my parents' basement for the day filming some videos. Various locations with my camera, or my phone in this case. But yeah, that's why I have lots of diaper boxes. I'm not kidding. We use diaper boxes to store so many things, and we probably have like 100 diaper boxes. I'm not exaggerating. It's crazy storing various things. So anyways, if you like the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, because I gave you a little side story there. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.